Hello guys, today we will talk about the otters of India. So let's get started. There are three types of otters found in India: Eurasian otter, smooth-coated otter, and Asian or Oriental small-clawed otter. Number 1 is smooth-coated otter. The most common otter of India, the smooth-coated otter, is easily identified by its well-groomed grey-brown coat with a clean line demarcating a lighter, normally grey underside. The lips, cheek, throat and chest are of this lighter color. The smooth-coated otter differs from the Eurasian otter in having V-shaped nostrils set on a dusky nosepad or rhinarium that has a flat or very slightly convex upper margin and a tail that is clearly flattened towards the tip like a paddle. There are no spots on its muzzle. It's known to roll around grassy banks after defecation. Prints sites may smell of rotten fish. Its distribution is throughout India with the exception of the high Himalayas and the arid parts of northwest India and the Deccan. It is essentially a creature of the plains. It inhabits lakes, rivers, dams, irrigation canals and swamps. They are as much at home in deep dam sites as in shallow, flooded rice paddies and mangroves, but may prefer less fast flowing waters than Eurasian otter. Eurasian otter is a large otter with a coarse, dusky brown coat that looks shaggy when dry and bedraggled when wet, but never as smooth as the smooth-coated otter's skin. In northern subspecies, the pale tips to the hair on the back can give it a grizzled look, and its underside is light grey. It often bears spots on its lips and nose, and the rhinarium is naked and black with a W-shaped upper margin. The tail is long over half the head and body length and is conical and not flattened as in the smooth-coated otter. Female has two pairs of mammae. The 5 toes have strong claws and webbing extending to the end of each digit. Eurasian otter is known to swim underwater with their forepaws and hindpaws propelling them forward. Their habitat is rapidly flowing headwaters and upstream habitats along rivers, hills, creeks and streams that have adequate cover. There are 4 subspecies of Eurasian otter. First is Lutra lutra Kutub in Jammu and Kashmir. Second is Lutra lutra Arabbrunei in Uttarakhand. Third is Lutra lutra monticola in Sikkim and Assam. The last one is Lutra lutra Nair in southern India in summers up to 3500 meters in the Himalayas. Next is Asian or Oriental small-clawed otter. The smallest otter in the world, the small-clawed otter has incomplete webbing on its digits and short, spiky claws. Its dorsal fur is short, velvety and dark brown with a grey sheen, and its underside is light brown to yellow. The sides of its lip, chin and throat are almost white. The pink nose pad is trapezoid in shape and the nostrils are placed below a sharp tip of the nose. The eyes are larger, proportional to the head than other otters, giving it a baby-like look. The last 2 teeth in the upper jaw are larger in size, giving it an advantage in crushing crustacean exoskeletons. The incomplete webbing also gives it more dexterity in handling crustaceans. The tail is about a third of total body length and is long, thick and muscular. Largely a crab and shellfish eater, it is not as dependent on fish for its diet. It catches its prey with its paws and not mouth like other otters. There are 2 subspecies of this otter are Eastern small-clawed otter and Southern small-clawed otter. Eastern small-clawed otter is found in Himalayan foothills, Himachal Pradesh, East Sundarbans and Northeast India, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, and Southern small-clawed otters in southern Indian hills, Coorg in Karnataka, Ashambhu, Nilgiri and Palni hills of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Its habitat is rivers, streams, coastal wetlands, mangroves, marshes and flooded paddy fields. In southern India, prefers hill stream pools rather than cascades. So that's it for today guys. Meet you in another video. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye.